Tumblebooks is a free media streaming service offered through the Nashua Public Library that allows anyone to listen to, watch, or read a variety of children's books, from graphic novels to picture books to nonfiction. These titles are available on demand, so there is never a waitlist for a book. The service does require internet access, and books cannot be downloaded. To access Tumblebooks from our website, www.nashualibrary.org, hover over eMedia and then select Tumblebooks. This will bring you to the Tumblebooks page. At the top of the screen, you'll see an option to change your language to French, English, or Spanish. You'll also see at the top of the screen different types of media: storybooks, read-alouds, ebooks, graphic novels, nonfiction, videos, language learning, playlists, or puzzles and games. There's also an option to search for books. To do so, click on Tumble Search. Here you'll see a variety of ways to search. You can search by title, author, subject, language, tumble time, genre, Lexile level, or accelerated reader. Today we're going to search by subject, and we're going to look for a book on the ocean. So we're typing that in, and we'll scroll down until we find a picture book. Here you see Down to the Sea with Mr. McGee. This tells you that this book has a word count of 688 words. It has a runtime of 5 minutes. The accelerated reader level is 4.2. To play the video, click Play Video. This will pop out in a new window that'll show the animated picture book. If you're not sure what you want to look for, we can always go to read-alongs. This will let us browse. You can browse by covers of early readers, chapter books, advanced readers, or children's classics. We're going to be looking at early readers and scroll until we find something that looks interesting. We're going to pick A Puppy is for Loving. This tells you that this book has a word count of 5,775 words and an accelerated reader level of 2.9. You'll notice that instead of play video, you now have the option to read online. By selecting Read Online, it will open up in a new window that shows highlighted text that you can press play on that will read aloud as your child reads along. We hope that you enjoy using Tumblebooks. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at 603-589-4600.